Do you know him? Yes, I know him. When will you go? I will go by Sunday. What's going on here? Nothing special. Can you hear me? No, I can't. Do you like you? Yes, I like you. Where do you live? I live in Mumbai. Why are you crying? Because I'm upset. What do you do? I'm a student. What are you doing? I'm reading book. Are you there? Yes, I am. How old are you? I am 20-year old. Whose bag is this? This is Tom's bag. Why are you lagging? Because I'm happy. Won't you go? No, I will not go. Are you happy? Yes, I'm very happy. Won't you come? No, I will not come. Please subscribe our channel. Okay, I will go and please you go. Okay, bye. Subscribe our channel.